Setup of operator's platform. Setting up the operator's cabin is completed in a few simple steps. Several levers located at the operator's seat allow the operator to fully adjust the seat to his personal preferences. When the ignition is switched on, the seat can be adjusted to the correct weight and height. To do so, the lever under the front of the seat is operated and held until the indicator is green. When putting the machine into operation, the safety belt must be worn at all times. The steering console can be moved to the preferred position by means of the locking lever located on the right side of the console. Operation of the pedal allows the steering module to be moved to its initial position or to a preset position. The operator's seat can be turned through 90 degrees by means of the lever located on the left next to the steering wheel. The left-hand armrest must be folded down to operate the machine. The armrests can be moved to the preferred position by means of the pull button on the right of the seat. The operator's cabin is moved to the left or right by means of the toggle switch located on the control panel of the right-hand armrest. It must be pressed and held until the required working position has been reached. During operation, the seat can be turned to provide the operator with an unobstructed view of the working cut. For further information on servicing and maintenance, please refer to the manual included in the information folder.